It's 6:30 a.m. The alarm goes off, and before your eyes are even fully open, the stress kicks in. You rush to a job you might not even like to earn money to pay for a car that gets you to that job and a house that sits empty while you're at work. Welcome to the rat race. Most of us were raised on a specific script. Go to school, get good grades, find a secure job, and work hard for 40 years. We believe that if we just get that next promotion or a 10% raise, our financial problems will vanish. But have you noticed that the more you earn, the more your bills seem to grow? Robert Kiyosaki's masterpiece, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, identifies this as the ultimate trap. The fundamental difference between the struggling middle class and the truly wealthy isn't the size of their paycheck, it's who they are working for. Most people spend their lives working for the owner of the company, then for the government through taxes, and finally for the bank to pay off their mortgage. Today, we are decoding Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money. Instead, they make money work for them. If you're tired of running on that wheel and getting nowhere, pay close attention. This is where your exit strategy begins. Why won't a high salary make you rich? It sounds counterintuitive, right? But here is the reality. The poor dad mindset, which represents the traditional, educated view, believes in the sanctity of the paycheck. To the poor dad, a bigger salary is the solution to every problem. But here's the catch. In the current economic system, earned income, the money you get from your job, is the most heavily taxed form of income. When you get a raise, the government often takes a larger percentage through higher tax brackets. This is what we call the tax trap. Then there's lifestyle creep. You get a promotion, so you buy a faster car. You get a bonus, so you move into a bigger apartment. Suddenly, your higher salary is already spent before it even hits your bank account. You aren't actually richer, you just have more expensive bills. Kiyosaki's rich dad looked at things differently. He saw a job as a short-term solution to a long-term problem. If you only work for money, you give the power to your employer. If your money works for you, you keep the power. The rich dad mindset understands that job security is often an illusion. Real security doesn't come from a boss promising you a check every 2 weeks. It comes from having the financial intelligence to generate your own income. While the poor dad focuses on his income statement, how much is coming in this month, the rich dad focuses on his balance sheet, how many assets are working for him while he sleeps. So, how do we break the cycle? The answer lies in 2 words: passive income. Most people are stuck in a linear income model. You trade 1 hour of your life for a set amount of dollars. If you stop working, the money stops flowing. This is why people stay in the rat race. They are terrified of the faucet being turned off. The rich focus on income-producing activities. Imagine your money as a team of soldiers. Every dollar you save and invest is a soldier you've sent out to the battlefield. Their job is to capture more soldiers and bring them back to you. Eventually, you have an entire army working 24/7. They don't take sick days, they don't need coffee breaks, and they don't care about the holidays. Passive income comes from assets. This could be rental income from property, dividends from stocks, royalties from a book or a YouTube channel, or a business that doesn't require your physical presence. The shift is psychological. Instead of asking, "How can I get a higher salary?" the rich mindset asks, "How can I acquire an asset that pays for my life?" When you live off your salary, you are a servant to your expenses. When you live off your assets, you are truly free. The goal isn't to never work again. The goal is to have the asterisk choice to work because you want to, not because you have to pay the electric bill. Now, let's get practical. You can't quit your job tomorrow, but you can start building your exit ramp today. I want you to perform a side hustle audit. Grab a piece of paper and write down one skill you have that can be monetized outside of your 9 to 5. Can you write? Can you code? Can you consult? Can you fix things or teach a language? The key to escaping the rat race is to stop using your extra time for consumption and start using it for production. Instead of watching 3 hours of Netflix, spend 1 hour building a small income stream. The objective isn't to make $10,000 overnight. The objective is to make your first $50 independently of your employer. Once you prove to yourself that you can generate income without a boss, the rat race loses its grip on your soul. That $50 is the seed of your future empire. Escaping the rat race isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and how hard that money works for you. Don't let your salary be your only lifeline. If this lesson opened your eyes, hit that like button and share this with someone who needs to hear it. In our next episode, we're going to dive into the forbidden language, the financial literacy that schools never taught you, but the rich use every single day. Subscribe to Solverse Cinema and turn on notifications. It's time to stop working for money and start making money work for you. I'll see you in the next video.